Today we are making this rich, delicious and yummy chocolate sponge cake with butter frosting. The best part is it's made without egg, oven and cream. It's going to so soft and spongy as well. So must watch the video till last without skipping. Hello everyone, I am Resma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Resma's Kitchen. Today I baked with a new recipe and I hope you will like it. And if you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Resma's Kitchen. And also hit the bell icon so that you will get notifications of all new videos. So without any wasting of time, let's get started. Here I have a vessel. Now we'll add salt into it. Here I have used approx 1.5 cup of salt. You can also have sand at the place of salt. Spread the salt evenly. Now we'll place a metal trivet. If you don't have it, you can also have a metal ball and any metal ring cutter. Now we'll cover the lid and keep the heat low to medium. We will heat it for about 10 minutes. Now let's make the cake batter. First of all, we will add half cup of oil and make sure you are using unflavored oil. Now we'll put 1 cup of powdered sugar. Now we have to whisk it together until well combined. It will take about a minute and two. Now it's look good. Now I'm gonna add 2 cup of maida and refined flour to it. Now we'll add half cup of chocolate powder. You can also have cocoa powder. Now we'll put 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now we'll add milk little by little and give it a good mix. But don't over mix it, we don't want the gluten to develop. Here you can see I have mixed it. Now we'll add few drops of vanilla or chocolate essence. Again give it a good mix. It's look good. Let's go into the next process. Here you can see I have greased the cake tin with oil and dusted it with maida or refined flour. The cake tin is ready. Now we'll add the batter to the cake tin. Wow, it looks yum. Tap it once so the air bubbles do not get created. Now it's ready to bake. Now remove the lid. Let's place it inside the vessel. Make sure it's in the center. We'll quickly close the lid as well. We'll bake it for about 40 minutes, low to medium heat. Here we'll put 1 cup of milk to the pan. Now we'll put 1 cup of sugar to it. If you don't like too sweet, then you can have 3/4 cup of sugar. Now we'll add 3 tablespoons of maida or refined flour. Now mix it well until the sugar dissolves completely. It's done. Now let's it cook. Stir it well. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe and give thumbs up if you like the video. Continuously stir it on low flame until the mixture becomes bit thick. Here you can see the mix is coating in the spoon. Now don't overcook it. We'll turn off the flame now. Now we'll transfer it into a bowl. Now cover it with a plastic sheet so that the air crystals do not get created in the mixture. Now keep it aside. Here I have taken 200 gram of butter. Now we'll put in the bowl. Now we'll whisk it together until the mixture becomes fluffy. Now it's look good. Now keep it in a refrigerator for 10 minutes. After that we will whisk it again. After 10 minutes I have taken it out of the refrigerator. Now we'll again whisk it well. It's looking perfect. Now let's go into the next process. Here this prepared mixture is completely cool now. Now we'll add it to the batter and mix it continuously. The whole mix is not to be mixed together, to be mixed little by little. Guys, here you can see the texture looks perfect. Now on this stage we'll add few drops of vanilla essence and again give it a good mix. Now it's done, keep it aside. Now let's check the cake. Wow, the cake is ready guys. Let's take it out. After the cake cooled down, let's turn it over a plate. Wow, see the texture guys, looks amazing, isn't it? Now we'll place the cake on turntable. Now I'm gonna divide the cake into 2 or 3 layers. Depending on how much you are comfortable with it, you can divide according to that. Wow, just look at the texture guys, so soft and spongy. Here you can see I have made a sugar syrup by mixing 4 tablespoons water in 2 tablespoons sugar. We'll spread on the cake little by little. Now first layer after the cake would be water frosting. Spread it evenly and make a layer. Then repeat the same steps with the other layers of cake. This cake really turns out very moist and very delicious. Once try it out and I hope you will love this recipe. Now decorate the cake according to your choice. Here I have some chocolates. Now I'm gonna decorate the cake with it. Now the cake is done and it looks fantastic. You can also make this at home and I damn sure you will totally enjoy it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon as well so that you get the new video notification first. I hope to see you soon with one more recipe. Till then, take care and bye bye.